still as a breeze. Hi everyone, welcome back to my mommy's channel.
Hi lovelies, so my son wanted to do my intro, so I allowed him to do it. Today's design is a Valentine's Day inspired nail art tutorial, and I'm starting off with my MadamGlam's Perfect White, applying a nice thin layer, and then I'm going to cure that in my LED light. Now I'm going in with Back to Cali, which is another MadamGlam gel polish, and I'm only going to be applying this halfway up that white. Reason being, I'm going to go in with my ombre brush with some alcohol on the end of my brush, and I'm going to blend that nude up into that white. Now, in doing this effect, for me, I find having a little bit of alcohol on my brush really helps to blend the two colors together. So I went ahead and I cured that, and I'm going to apply another thin layer, and I'm stressing on the thin because I am doing this really thin. I barely have any polish on my brush to do this because I like to keep the shape of my nail. The thicker you apply your gel polishes, the faster you lose the actual shape of the nail. So keep that in mind. And I'm just going to play around with this, making sure to clean my brush every so often, go back into my alcohol and blend until I'm happy with it, and then I'm going to pop it into my LED light and cure it again for 30 seconds. Now this is going to be my top layer before applying the top coat, so I do want to make sure that it is as smooth as a transition as possible. So I'm just going to continue doing this, and I'll meet you back.
River flowing deep, don't wanna leave the air you breathe, living me dreams when I think of you and me, don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes.
So now to soften up this ombre, I mixed a little bit of that nude with my regular clear gel top coat, and I went over the entire nail. This also helps the ombre to look nice and smooth, and it softens that white that we applied. So I did that on my pointer finger, my pinky finger, and my thumb, and I went ahead and just applied that nude across my middle finger and my ring finger. And now I'm going in with my IBD Intense Seal because I am obsessed with the Wildflowers white chrome pigment, and I'm going to apply it over these two nails today, and it gave off sort of a pink chrome effect, and I absolutely loved it. It was like a baby pink chrome effect. So I'm just going to apply the chrome with my sponge, and then I'm going to burnish it with my silicone tool, and you guys are going to see it for yourself, and apply my IBD Intense Seal top coat one more time, cure that, and I'll meet you guys right back.
Turn around, just listen to the sound, two hearts beating time. Hey, yeah, hey.
So I am going to be doing some nail art on this nail, and for me, I prefer to draw on a buffed nail rather than on a smooth gel polish nail. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I did cleanse the dust off with my alcohol, and I'm going in with that same MadamGlam's Perfect White gel polish and my Crystal Nails art brush, and I'm just going to draw a heart and some swirls on this nail. It's really straightforward, so I'm going to allow you guys to watch me do this right here. After I drew on everything, I cured it in my light for a full cure of 30 seconds, and then I went in with my IBD Intense Seal to create a sugar effect in that heart using some pink glitter.
Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, it's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, it's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. Just listen to the sound, two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Don't forget that you and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Turn around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Don't forget that you and your wicked ways.
So on my ring finger, I'm just going to go in with my gem gel and I'm going to place it sort of like a swirl up the nail, because that's just where I want my crystals to run on the nail itself. And I'm starting off with this rhinestone 3D alloyed heart, and I'm just going to build up the rest of my nails with different color Swarovski crystals and different sizes. And I'm going to cure this in my LED light for 60 seconds, go around the stones when I'm finished with my IBD Intense Seal. And that was it for this design, guys. I applied some gel top coat to all my nails, my cuticle oil, and I'll have some clips and some pictures at the end of the video to show you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And guys, press on that bell down below and turn your notifications on so you don't miss when I upload another video. I love interacting with you guys and hearing all your feedback, so tell me what you think about this design in the comment section below, and if you love it, drop some pink hearts with your comment as well. I want to wish every one of my subscribers a happy Valentine's Day, and I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.